This video will cover how to use the data table functionality with a Salesforce report in the Raydiant Employee Experience platform. We're going to begin in Salesforce and we're going to navigate to the report that we would like to show as a data table within the system. We'll choose a report to work with, or you can create one from scratch. What I've chosen here is a summary report. With the detailed rows off, you can see just the numbers, but with the detailed rows on, you can see that we have lots of items within here. If you would like to show your data table to have everything within here, you need to make this a tabular report rather than a summary report. A summary report is seen by the system exactly as it is when you turn off the detailed rows. The second thing to note is that the data table will show exactly as the report is. So in this case, we have the ascending numbers. If we would like to sort descending, we'll go ahead and adjust that. But we'll do it descending. Once we've got the report in the correct format, we're going to go ahead and save. And now it's ready to be brought into the Raydiant Employee Experience platform. We'll go over to EX and we're going to navigate to the Salesforce integration page. We'll click on integrations, or we can use the left-hand navigation and go all the way directly to Salesforce integration. Data tables are located at the bottom of the integration, just before the logs. We'll come down here and add our data table. We'll find that report. Choose Next. Up here they have the name of our report, but we can change that. And then we can select the columns that we'd like to bring in. A data table allows you to bring in 4 columns of data, so we'll choose 4. And we can also edit the name that'll be showing on the screens. Perhaps this is our AEs. We'll put total, amount, and deals. The names can be anything you would like. Just remember that you have a certain character limit, so if the name is too long, it will not fit within the space. We'll say Next, and we'll add it to the channel we would like it in. We've successfully brought in our data table report. The next step is to go to the channels area and edit it. Here in the main channel, we'll find our data table already in the lineup. It'll be right below the newsflash steps because it is the last thing we've added. We know this is a data table because it's got the data table symbol. Once we click on the step, we'll see our options show up here on the right. We can have up to 250 rows, choose our backgrounds, our duration, the transition, and then you'll see here we can edit our column display. You choose the width. The width does have to equal 100%, and you can also choose the alignment. Being that the AE name is longer than any of the number fields, we'll go ahead and increase the width. And perhaps make the alignment right-sided on the numbers. You have the option to either display or not display row numbers. For example, if this was not a ranked item, you could choose no. And we'll take a look at what we've built. Here is our data table, and it's sorted in the same way we chose in our report creation. Everything looks good, and we are finished. You have just successfully added a data table to your lineup. If you have any questions, you can reach us at support.raydiant.com, or you can click the Chat with an Expert button down in the bottom right-hand corner. Thank you and have a wonderful day.